Hello all, welcome. Let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of graphical systems. First one is advantages. Symbols recognized faster than text. Okay, this is the advantage of a graphical system. Research has found that symbols can be recognized faster and more accurately than text, and that the graphical attributes of icons such as shape, color are very useful for quickly classifying objects, elements or text by some common property. An example of a good classification scheme that speeds up recognition are the icons developed for indicating the kind of message being presented to the user of the screen. The text of an informational message is preceded by an I in a circle, a warning message by an exclamation point, and a critical message by another unique symbol. These icons allow speedy recognition of the type of message being presented. Faster learning is one more advantage. Research has also found that a graphical pictorial representation aids learning, and symbols can also be easily learned. Faster use and problem solving is one more advantage. Visual or spatial representation of information has been found to be easier to retain and manipulate and leads to faster and more successful problem solving. Symbols have also been found to be effective in conveying simple instructions. Easier remembering. Because of greater simplicity, it is easier for casual users to retain operational concepts. More natural also. Graphic representations of objects are thought to be more natural and closer to innate human capabilities. In human beings, actions and visual skills emerged before languages. It has also been suggested that symbolic displays are more natural and advantageous because human mind has a powerful image memory. Exploits visual and spatial cues. Spatial relationships are usually found to be understood more quickly than verbal representations. Visually thinking is believed to be better than logical thinking. Fosters more concrete thinking. Displayed objects are directly in the high level task domain or directly usable in their presented form. There is no need mentally to decompose tasks into multiple commands with complex syntactic forms. The need for abstract thinking is therefore minimized. Provides context also. Advantage. Displayed objects are visible, providing a picture of the current context. The next advantage is fewer errors. More concrete thinking affords fewer opportunities for errors. Reversibility of actions reduces error rates because it is always possible to undo the last step. Error messages are also less frequently needed. Increased feeling of control is the advantage. The user initiates actions and feels in control. This increases user confidence and hastens system mastery. Immediate feedback. The results of actions furthering user goals can be seen immediately. Learning is quickened. If the response is not in the desired direction, the direction can be changed quickly. Predictable system responses. Predictable system responses also speed learning. Easily reversible action. The user has more control. This ability to reverse unwanted action also increases user confidence and hastens system mastery. Less anxiety concerning use. Hesitant or new users feel less anxiety when using the system because it is so easily comprehended, easy to control, and has predictable responses and reversible actions. More attractive. Direct manipulation systems are more entertaining, cleverer and more appealing. This is especially important for the cautious and skeptical user. May consume less space. Icons may take up less space than the equivalent in Word. More information can often be packed in a given area of the screen. This, however, is not the case. Replaces natural languages. Language-based systems are seldom universally applicable. Language translations frequently cause problems in text-based systems. Icons possess much more universality than text and are much more easily comprehended worldwide. Easily augmented with text displays. Where graphical design limitations exist, direct manipulation systems can easily be augmented with text displays. The reverse is not true. Low typing requirements. Pointing and selection controls such as mouse or trackball eliminate the need for typing skills. Smooth transition from command language system. Moving from command language to a direct manipulation system has been found to be easy. The reverse is not true. There are some disadvantages of graphical system. Let's discuss that. Greater design complexity is the first disadvantage. The elements and techniques available to the graphical screen designer far outnumber those that were at the disposal of the text-based screen designers. Control and basic alternatives must be chosen from a pile of choices numbering in excess of 50. Alternatives available to the text-based screen design numbered about 15. This design potential may not necessarily result in better design unless the choices are thoughtfully selected and consistently and simply applied. Proper window types must also be chosen and color selected from seemingly unending rainbow of alternatives. With graphics, the skills of designer is increasingly challenged. Learning still necessary is the disadvantage of a graphical system. The first time one encounters many graphical systems, what to do is not immediately obvious. The meanings of many words and icons may not be known. It is not often possible to guess their meanings, especially the more arbitrary symbols. How to use pointing device may also have to be learned. A severe learning and remembering requirement is imposed on many users, and it takes a while to get up to speed. Text-based systems could easily be structured to incorporate a set of clear instructions. Do this, now do this, and so on. Such kind of clear instructions are in text-based systems. System providers estimate that becoming accustomed to a graphical interface should require about 8 hours of training. Other experts say the learning time is closer to 20 to 30 hours. Lack of experimentally derived design guidelines is a disadvantage of a graphical system. The graphical interface is still burdened today by a lack of widely available experimentally derived design guidelines. Early on, more developers' interest existed in solving technical rather than usability issues, so few studies to aid in making design decisions were performed. Today, studies being performed in usability laboratories are rarely published. This occurs because of a number of factors. First, builders of platforms and packages will not publish their study results because they want to maintain a competitive advantage. If a better way is found to do something or present something, why tell the competition? Let them make the same mistake or find the answer themselves. Inconsistencies in technique and terminology. Many differences in technique, terminology, and look and feel exist among various graphical system providers and even among successive versions of the same system. These inconsistencies occur because of copyright and legal implications, product differentiation considerations, and our expanding knowledge about the interface. The result is that learning and relearning for both designers and user is much more difficult than it should be. Working domain is the present. While direct manipulation system provide context, they also require the user to work in present. Not always familiar is the disadvantage of a graphical system. Symbolic representations may not be as familiar as words or numbers. We have been exposed to words and numbers for a long time. Research has found that numeric symbols elicit faster responses than graphic symbols in a visual search task. One developer had to modify a new system during testing by replacing iconic presentations with a textual outline format. The user's lawyers were unfamiliar with icons and demanded more familiar format. Human comprehension limitations. Human limitations may also exist in terms of one's ability to deal with the increased complexity of the graphical interface. The variety of visual displays can still challenge all but the most sophisticated users. The number of different icons that can be introduced is also restricted because of limitations in human comprehension. Studies continually find that the number of different symbols a person can differentiate and deal with is much more limited than text. Some researchers note that claims for the easy understanding of pictograms are exaggerated and that recognizing icons requires much perceptual learning, abstracting ability, and intelligence. The motor skills required may also challenge all but the most sophisticated users. Correctly double clicking a mouse, for example, is difficult for some people. Window manipulation requirements. Window handling and manipulation times are still excessive and repetitive. This wastes time and interrupts the decision making needed to perform tasks and jobs. Production limitations. The number of symbols that can be clearly produced using today's technology is still limited. A body of recognizable symbols must be produced that are equally legible and equally recognizable using different technologies. This is extremely difficult today. Few tested icons exist. Icons like typefaces must appear in different sizes, weights, and styles as with text. An entire font of clearly recognizable symbols must be developed. It is not simply a question of developing an icon and simply enlarging or reducing it. Changing an icon size can differentially affect symbol line width, open areas, and so forth, dramatically affecting its recognizability. Typeface design is literally the product of 300 years of experimentation and study. Icons must be researched, designed, tested, and then introduced into the marketplace. The consequences of poor or improper design will be confusion and lower productivity of users. And there are so many other disadvantages of a graphical system. These are all inefficient for touch typist, inefficient for expert users, not always the preferred style of interaction, not always the fastest style of interaction, increased chances of clutter and confusion, the fudge and fill factor, may consume more screen space, hardware limitations. Thank you.